2D translation. 2D translation in computer graphics refers to the process of moving an object from one location to another in a two-dimensional space. Translation is achieved by adding a translation vector to the coordinates of each point in the object. The translation vector specifies the direction and magnitude of the translation. Here is an example to demonstrate 2D translation in computer graphics. Suppose we have a square with the vertices 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3 and 3, 1 and we want to translate it by a vector 2, 4. The steps to perform the translation would be as follows. Represent the original square by its vertices in a 2D coordinate system. Define the translation vector 2, 4, which represents the magnitude and direction of the translation. For each vertex in the square, add the translation vector to its coordinates. For example, the vertex 1, 1 becomes 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4 is equal to 3, 5. Plot the translated square using the updated vertices. Repeat the translation as many times as desired to achieve the desired effect. In computer graphics, 2D translation is a fundamental operation that is used in many different applications, including image processing, animation, and user interfaces. The simplicity and versatility of the 2D translation operation make it an important tool for a wide range of computer graphics applications. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.